Okay, now further we want the total for all the cells. ठीक है, for all the cells what can you do is यहाँ पर again you need to type formula using equal to then B4 plus C4 plus D4. ठीक है, and then press enter. Instead of typing, what you can do is you click here. Can you see this dark pointer here? ये वाला, and the different type of arrow which will be changed the moment I bring it here. This way. Okay. Can you see this blue color range? Here we have selected columns, right? So this type of range, when we are selecting the data vertically, this is known as column range, right? When you are selecting the data horizontally, this is the reference for row range. ठीक है, and if you are selecting the data along both the axes this way, so can you see the rectangle is formed with the shaded, showing the shaded indicator that yes, you have selected these many cells. So this type of range is referred as row column range or mixed range. I hope that is clear to you. Now another thing which you should remember, यहाँ पे we were having numbers, यहाँ पे we were having formula. This is called formula, the expression where to perform any calculation. All of them are again aligned towards which direction? To your right. ठीक है. Now there are three types of data in all which can be entered along the spreadsheet software. This is text type of data, this is number type of data, and this is formula setup which you can use. ठीक है. Another method of performing addition, you put an equal to mark, write SUM and put a bracket. ठीक है, and drag the location जहां से calculation should start. ठीक है, till the location till where you want a calculation. B4 से D4. Close the bracket, press enter key. The work will be done. ठीक है. This is another way of performing calculation. Try them on your computer and you will get the relevant calculation accordingly. ठीक है. Now, if you are using a particular formula, just have a look here. I am adding a new column here by right clicking and inserting a new column this way, and यहाँ पे I am writing activity marks. ठीक है. Formula here you all can recall B3 plus C3 plus D3, but I want activity marks also, so I am also writing E3. ठीक है. Enter करा. Now just have a look. I am giving 5 marks in E3. The total is automatically changing. While for this child I haven't added any activity marks. So here we will be using a method to expand the location this way. It is automatically changing since the numbers are not there, so the data will remain same. ठीक. अब यहाँ पे I am adding marks 2, so the data is changing automatically. ठीक है. This is one way of performing the work. Right. Now there is another method of performing the data entry in the faster way. वो क्या होता है? Suppose यहाँ पे I am writing days, यहाँ पर I am writing let us say students. ठीक है. I want the days as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and so on. So what I am writing? I am writing Monday, I am writing Tuesday, I am writing Wednesday. That's it. ठीक है. जैसे ही इतना लिखा, we want the entire weekdays. ठीक है. So what you have to do is you need to click the range and the series will be developed accordingly. I will be showing you in my next example. Right. उससे पहले one more thing you should know. You all have done BODMAS rule earlier. Using that BODMAS rule, if you could recall a simple format of calculation. BODMAS में what do we do? Simple BODMAS rule क्या था? Let me increase the size so that the things are visible to you. Okay, I am writing BODMAS rule. BODMAS. BODMAS का reference क्या था? Firstly, bracket will be solved, then of, division, multiply, addition and subtraction. ठीक है. in the spreadsheets also you can perform various types of calculation, लेकिन all these calculations are showing a precedence order. Precedence order का meaning होता है they are showing a particular order of calculation. ठीक है, so in the books you can refer page number 108. I am showing you a small work here. This is the precedence order. Additions will be performed first, subtraction will be done later, third precedence will be for the multiplication and division, fourth precedence will be for the division, right? So basically they are showing the calculation in this order. All these operators are there, लेकिन इनकी precedence order will be given in this form. First of all bracket will be solved, then caret symbol. Caret symbol का meaning होता है exponents. Third precedence will be division and multiplication, and fourth will be addition and subtraction. ठीक है, just to see how the work is done, I am showing you a small calculation here. I am writing 2 multiplied by 2 plus 4 minus 1. ठीक है, try to calculate it on your own according to your precedence order. I hope you all have calculated it correctly. The answer will be 7. कैसे हुआ? According to the precedence order. I am revising the precedence order again here. सबसे पहले what will be solved? सबसे पहले it is going to solve brackets. ठीक है, उसके बाद the second precedence will be given for exponents. ठीक है, third precedence order will be given for division and multiplication. ठीक है, it will be division and hold on, it is division and multiplication, and then after this we have got addition or subtraction. ठीक है, now just have a look. If I am writing equal to 2 to the power का symbol is caret symbol which is above 6 letter in your keyboard. ठीक है, put a equal to mark, write 2 to the power 5. ठीक है, या okay, calculate 2 to the power 5. What will be your answer? Hopefully you have got it correctly. Again, perform it again. I am writing equal to 3 to the power 2. Answer will be 9. I hope it is clear to you all. Now just have a mixed calculation. Caret symbol I am taking, लेकिन इससे पहले I am writing 2 plus 5 multiplied by 8. ठीक है, minus 3 to the power 2. सबसे पहले what should be solved? Caret symbol, that means exponents, then multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. Perform the calculation on your own and see the result. The result should be 33. Clear? So you need to perform the calculation and just see the result accordingly. This is the answer for this expression. I hope it's clear to you. Maths का PODMAS, लेकिन in the spreadsheets we are having this order of precedence for the calculation. ठीक है? Okay. Next thing which you should remember for your this particular term will be various types of functions and their basic work of calculation. How to perform the work? Just have a look. Just hold on. Let me delete it. उसके बाद I'll get the space. ठीक है? Okay. Now, if you want to perform any calculation, calculations के लिए generally हमारे पास cell references होते हैं. As I told you in the previous example, if you could recall, I have done that addition using the cell references this way. ठीक है, अब एक situation imagine करते हैं. Let us say all the students should get 5 marks in the activity. ठीक, so instead of writing 5 5 5 5 for all, I have just written it here. ठीक है, आप क्या करते हैं, ये वाला formula, that means B3, this was the formula B3 plus C3 plus D3 plus E3. I am copying it and I am pasting it in these 3-4 cells. Control V and Control V. जब भी copy paste करोगे, you can see यहाँ पे cell reference क्या आते हैं, B3, C3, D3, E3. यहाँ पे cell references are changing automatically. Just have a look. Double click करना and see B4, C4, D4, E4. And here also again it is going to show the changes. So ऐसे references जो अपने आप they will change according to the new location, that is referred as relative cell reference. ठीक है, that means जहां पर भी जाओगे, suppose ये formula लिया, Control C copy करा and I am taking it here, Control V कर दो. ठीक है, 0 आया, क्यों आया 0? डबल क्लिक करो तो देखोगे इट इज गोइंग टू चेंज, इट वॉज कैलकुलेटिंग, जस्ट हैव अ लुक हियर अगेन। यहाँ पे हाउ मेनी सेल्स वर एडेड? इस सेल के F3 सेल का इमीडिएटली 1 2 3 4 इमीडिएटली प्रीवियस 4 सेल्स वर एडेड, D B C D E, ठीक है। सो जो न्यू लोकेशन पे हमने पेस्ट करा हेयर, ओके दिस इज द न्यू लोकेशन, यहाँ पे पेस्ट करा तो इसने भी अपने लेफ्ट के 4 सेल्स को आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया ऑटोमेटिकली। यू टेक इट एनीवेयर, सपोज आई एम गोइंग टू वेरी फार ऑफ, यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं, चलो एल पे। इस फॉर्मूले को हमने कॉपी करा, कंट्रोल C एंड आई एम पेस्टिंग इट हेयर, कंट्रोल V, ठीक है। M है, M के इमीडिएट लेफ्ट सेल्स कौन कौन से है? 1 2 3 4। सो फॉर्मूला क्या होना चाहिए? I J K L C, इट इज फॉर्म्ड दैट वे, I J K L। आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू। कहीं पर भी लेके जाओगे इट इज गोइंग टू चेंज अकॉर्डिंगली। ऐसे रेफरेंसेज आर नोन एज एब्सोल्यूट सेल रेफरेंस, ठीक है। नाउ लिटिल बिट चेंज, आई हैव टू गिव, हमारी कंडीशन क्या थी? एक्टिविटी मार्क शुड बी गिवन टू ऑल, सेम 5 मार्क्स। अब क्या करें? यहाँ के फॉर्मूले में जस्ट बिफोर द एक्टिविटी मार्क्स के सेल एड्रेस क्या है? E3, E3 से पहले जस्ट एड डॉलर सिंबल, 4 के पास है, 4 के ऊपर है सपोज, लैपटॉप में या डेस्कटॉप जो भी होगा, ठीक है। $E3 एंटर करो, ये हो गया। अब इस फॉर्मूले को कॉपी करते हैं, कंट्रोल C एंड कंट्रोल V। यू नीड टू सी द डिफरेंस, टोटल चेंज हो गया। कैसे हुआ? आई विल शो यू। इसमें जैसे हमने पेस्ट करा B4 C4 D4 रिमेन सेम, लेकिन दिस डॉलर वाला ऑप्शन हैज रिमेन कांस्टेंट। मतलब ये तो थे कौन से रेफरेंसेस? रिलेटिव रेफरेंस, एंड दिस इज एब्सोल्यूट रेफरेंस, ठीक है। एंड इफ यू वांट टू मेक ऑल द कंटेंट fixed, so you need to add dollar symbol before all the content. I hope absolute, relative and mixed referencing is clear to you. All right, now I am giving you, okay, first of all try all these things first and then I will be forwarding you another video, okay.